What if 4 simple ingredients sitting in your kitchen could help you achieve healthier, brighter looking skin? I was in my kitchen the other day looking at a carrot, some turmeric, and an aloe vera leaf, and I honestly thought this looks like I'm about to make a smoothie, not soap. But here is the thing, my skin has been feeling a little tired lately, a bit dull, a bit dry, and I just didn't want to throw another product with a long ingredient list at it. So I started wondering, what if I just put the stuff we actually eat straight onto my skin? And what if I made it into something so simple that I could use it every single morning without thinking too hard? I've been testing this combo for a few weeks now, and I genuinely didn't expect to see such a difference. So today, I don't want to tell you anything. I just want to walk you through why these 3 random kitchen ingredients actually make sense together, and why I think they might help your skin feel so good as mine does right now. To the aloe vera. This one is probably the most familiar, but I think we underestimate it. It's not just for sunburns, it's incredibly hydrating. It pulls moisture into your skin and helps gentle exfoliation, so your face feels soft, not tight and squeaky clean in a bad way. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, plus antioxidants that help soothe dry skin, support the skin's natural barrier, and leave it feeling refreshed. Next is carrot. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient supports healthy skin renewal and can help your skin look more vibrant. The beta-carotene in carrots and the antioxidants also helps protect the skin from everyday environmental stressors and support a healthy looking complexion. It helps fade those little dark marks that hang around long after a breakout without the peeling or irritation. And then we have the turmeric. The turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that helps calm the appearance of irritated skin and promotes a more even looking skin tone. Together, these ingredients create a nourishing herbal soap that gently cleanses away dirt, excess oil and impurities without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. With regular use, your skin can feel softer, smoother, refreshed, and appear brighter and healthier. So the process here is that after thoroughly cleaning all the ingredients one by one, I cleaned the aloe vera, I washed it, I washed the carrots, and then I washed the turmeric as well. And then I put everything into the blender, blend them together, and then pour it in the white handkerchief. That's what I use. And then I sieve it, I filter it. That's what you see me doing right now. I'm filtering the liquid out so that I can get the gel. Please kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. After extracting the gel, as you can see in the plate, I added some drops of vitamin E to it, and as well as some drops of glycerin. Then I mix it thoroughly. To ensure they are properly mixed together. this is the bar soap I'll be using. Now the next thing is to grate it. I grate it. The reason to grate is because so that by the time I put it on the fire it will melt easily. So you grate, and then this is what you have. And then I pour the grated soap into a pot, a little pot, then add the mixture, our extracted mixture, into the soap. I'll put it on a double boiler. And turmeric together, and then I stir it together thoroughly too, and then I place it on the double boiler. I put it in the water that is already on the fire. Then I keep stirring until everything is uniformly dissolved together and mixed together. You can see that everything is already melting together right now. So once it is ready, I brought it out and I got my mold. As you can see, this is my mold now, and then I begin to put it inside the mold. So after pouring the soap into the mold, I'll have to leave it for the next 24 hours so that it can be cured and as well be solidified. Then after 24 hours, this is what we have. You can see it. You can see the designs. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It actually has, the mold is actually toy. It has toy designs. So when I bring it out and I give it to my little boy, he will be so happy to use it, So that's the design of a car. Then we have the design of truck and another design like that. So this is just how interesting it is to make soap for yourself and your family. And I do encourage you to also try something out at home too. It's way cheaper to make this than to be buying soap, and it's more healthier. I encourage you to try it out in your home too. You'll be happy you did. And so thank you very much for stopping by to take a look at this video. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do, so that you get notified when next I post another video. And also drop a comment, whatever question you have, kindly drop it, as I will be responding to that personally. And as well, please don't forget to drop your like. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time. Bye.